Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's learn the formula of crispy pakora for Ramadan. Take 1 potato. Peel it. Now cut in thin slices. You can even cut the thin slices with knife. You can check the thinness of the slices. Let's make batter. Take 1 cup gram flour. Add 2 tablespoons corn flour. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon paprika powder. 1/2 teaspoon zira. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Handful of coriander. Give it a good mix. Now gradually add water until it becomes a thin paste. Use the water as much as you require. You can see the consistency of batter. Once the paste is ready, add the thin slices of potatoes. Dip it for 5 minutes. Take a frying pan and add some oil. Once the oil is heated, add the potato slices in the oil. Fry each side for 2 minutes. Then turn the side. Again, fry the second side for 2 minutes. Once they turn light brown, take them out of oil. Delicious crispy pakora is ready. Best recipe for Ramadan. I hope you like the recipe. Thanks for watching.